Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to fix iPhone power button not working. The iPhone power button is used to turn the device on and off, lock the screen, hard reset, put it in recovery and more. In case this essential switch stops working for you, there are some solutions you can try before taking it up for repair. Let us start by learning more about the reasons behind and see how to fix an iPhone power button is not working issue. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is restart your iPhone using assistive touch. Since the power button is not functional, we will have to use the assistive touch or the settings app to turn off the iPhone. For this, open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and then tap on general. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap on shutdown. Slide to power off and wait for a minute or two. Now try to use the power button to switch on the iPhone. In the case power button did not work, plug the iPhone into the charger or a computer to turn it on. And you are done. And the next step is try adjusting the click speed of the side button. Is the side button of iPhone X and the later models with Face ID working but not as conveniently as you like? You can adjust the double and triple click speed to see what suits you better. For this, open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and go to accessibility. Scroll down and then tap on side button. Choose one of the three options, default, slow at slowest. And you are done. And the next step is use assistive touch. This is not a solution to fix the non-working power button, but rather a workaround that lets you use the device and perform almost all action conveniently, even if the aforementioned physical button is broken. You can enable assistive touch from the settings app. Go to settings. Scroll down and go to accessibility. Next, tap on the touch option. From here, tap on assistive touch. Tap on its toggle button to turn it on. And you are done. These are some of the useful things to do when your iPhone power button stops working. I hope these solutions will help you if your iPhone's power button not working. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.